This is a Rocks exclusive. What are you doing?
Oh, hi.
This is the life of Anna C. Air
That is
conditioner.
today's episode. The life of Anna. Oh, A-Rock, forgot. A-Rock, forgot. Yeah. Okay, you're right. No.
Anna's mother, Sonia. Oh, where have you gone? You.
Go.
Anna laughs very weird. This is Anna's bag
Oh, yeah.
and my shoes, and I'm wearing hers.
And my phone.
That's Anna's phone.
We're walking.
Anna's mother does not like videos.
Stop that.
Interesting fact.
No, I will go. I'm wearing Abby's shoes right now. Look at them. Oh, yeah. They fit me perfectly. Can I go?
Anna with her obstacles. That was very difficult, Anna. Anna and her clumsiness. Go a little ahead of me, Anna. I can't see your whole body. Not so much ahead of me, Anna. Anna dances at every random moment she gets. She is weird like that. Anna's doing a fake catwalk right now. I hope this is not what she does when I'm not here. Anna laughs. There's fun. Fun. Her shoes are hers. Her shirt is hers. And that hair, Anna cracks up. This video is officially 2 minutes and 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds.
Will you walk already?
Anna actually trips that time, but luckily does not fall. Anna cracks up. And again. And again. What the hell? And let's look at another flower. Anna doesn't look to look at flowers. She doesn't look like to look at flowers. But this video isn't about me, it's about her. And I was just talking about her, but I was having the camera on me, and that's not cool, man. That's not cool beans. Now Anna walks weird for the camera. Look at that face of determination. Vanya is not very tolerant of her daughter. Goodbye. Say goodbye to my mother.
Bye!